The American Express corporate meeting card is not a rewards card for the person actually swiping it, so set that expectation right away. It is a specialized charge card issued directly to a company designed with one goal in mind: to centrally manage and pay for all the expenses associated with large-scale meetings, events, and conferences. Think of it as a tool that the finance department will love, but the employee probably will not get bonus points from. The card is set up as a central billing account, meaning a company can put everything for a specific event, venue deposits, catering, flights, accommodations, and even thank you gifts all onto one single American Express account. The key feature here is this centralized billing, which is exactly how it solves a major pain point for corporate accounting teams. When you run a massive event, dealing with dozens of individual employee expense reports and hundreds of receipts is a logistical nightmare. This card simplifies that by consolidating all those costs onto a single statement, drastically cutting down on the time spent on reconciliation. The visibility this provides is incredibly powerful. Companies get a granular view of where every dollar is going, which is invaluable for budgeting and negotiating better deals with major vendors like hotels or airlines, because the company can now leverage its total volume of spend data. The most significant pro of this tool is its powerful spend control. Since the company works with an Amex specialist to set up the card program, they can implement pre-agreed spending limits directly onto the card. This is how they enforce budgets and prevent unauthorized or excessive spending on high-cost items like a fancy banquet or an expensive speaker fee. It's pure financial management and control. Furthermore, as a corporate charge card, it usually comes with a higher spending capacity than a standard credit card, which is essential when you are covering a $20,000 venue deposit. You also get some typical American Express corporate protections, such as a baggage insurance plan and access to the Global Assist hotline for emergency coordination services. Plus, the seamless integration with Concur Expense for advanced reporting, provided a company meets the necessary size and spend thresholds, is a huge win for companies already utilizing that expense management system. Now, for the cons, which are significant if the company's focus is on maximizing perks, this card generally does not earn traditional rewards like membership rewards points or cashback. Its value is purely in expense management, making it what some would call a dead money card from a rewards perspective. If earning travel points or cash back is the priority, a company would need to look at other Amex corporate offerings like the Business Platinum or Gold corporate cards. Another major drawback is the cost of international use. The card charges a 2.5% foreign transaction fee on all international purchases, which will add up quickly if the company hosts meetings or events outside of the US. There is also an annual fee of $75, which is a fixed cost of operation. The financial department also needs to be extremely disciplined with payment because, like all charge cards, the balance must be paid in full by the due date. Failure to do so incurs a steep penalty fee of $39 or 2.99% of the past due amount, whichever is greater. Finally, remember, this is not for small businesses or individuals. It is an institutional product requiring a corporate setup with American Express. In summary, the American Express corporate meeting card is a powerhouse tool for mid-sized to large enterprises whose primary pain point is the complexity and lack of control over high-volume fragmented meeting and event spending. If the goal is financial transparency, consolidated billing, and budget enforcement, this card is excellent. However, companies must be aware of the trade-off. They are sacrificing traditional rewards points for control. The major risks to remember are the high 2.5% foreign transaction fee for any international use, and the stiff late payment penalties if the full balance is not settled on time, which can be $39 or 2.99% of the past due amount. It's a specialized tool for a specialized problem, and it works best when the company's event volume justifies the annual fee and the sacrifice of a rewards program.